Final video to fix the Microsoft 365 sign-in loop error. And if you cannot access your apps, listen carefully. Are you facing the problem where Microsoft 365 keeps asking you to sign in repeatedly without letting you in? This usually happens because cache credentials are corrupted, browser or app settings conflict, or account authentication gets stuck. Sometimes small glitches or hidden system issues prevent Microsoft 365 from completing the sign-in process. Many YouTube and social media solutions show long cache clears, risky registry edits, or confusing account resets that take forever and often fail. On Rexist, I keep it simple and safe. I discovered a secret easy trick that stops the sign-in loop and lets Microsoft 365 log in normally again. This trick clears corrupted credentials, resets app or browser settings, and ensures proper account authentication. You do not need advanced skills or extra software. I tested this method multiple times, and it works perfectly every time. This solution saves time and gets your Microsoft 365 apps working fast. Watch fully, so you do not miss the key step most guides skip. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial explained slowly and clearly, comment below and tell me you want it. Rexist always delivers real fixes that actually work. So stay tuned and fix Microsoft 365 sign-in loop errors the smart way.